Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoTalk. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about KakaoTalk and we click here. Then we click on first app and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.